Okay, students, class 11th mathematics CBSE. Today we are starting a new exercise 9.4. Okay, in this exercise we will have some special series of which we have to find the sum to n terms. Okay, means today we will find the sum to n terms of the special series. Special series means the series which are not related to the arithmetic progression, not related to the geometrical progression. These series of which we are finding the sum to n terms. We have to find the nth term. After that we have to find the solution. Okay, and using some of the special sums. Special sums means sum of natural number up to n. Sum of natural number up to n, that is summation n, and this is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of squares of the natural number up to n, that is summation n square, and this is equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6, and sum of cubes of natural numbers up to n. This is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Okay, we will use these formulas in finding the sum to n terms of the special series. Okay, so let us take the first question first. First question of the exercise 9.4 is the special series given is question number 1 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus and so on up to n terms. Okay, we have to find the sum of this special series up to n terms. Okay, in this special series, first of all we have to find the nth term. Okay, so nth term of this special series, if we can find by observation, then it's very easy. Okay, to find the nth term by observation. If it is not able to find the nth term by observation, then we will use AP or GP, arithmetic progression or geometric progression. Okay, now each of the term having two terms 1 2 into 3 means each of the term is the multiplication of two terms, that is 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 5 and so on. Okay, so in this special series we can find nth term easily. Nth term, that is Tn can be found easily. 1 2 3 4 up to n, that is n. 2 3 4 5 up to n, that is n plus 1. Okay, so each of the term of the given special series is the multiplication of two terms, that is n and n plus 1. Okay, so nth term is equals to n into n plus 1, and this is equals to n square plus n. This is Tn equals to n square plus n. Now sum Sn equals to summation Tn. Summation Tn means summation n square plus n. Summation n square plus n, and this is equals to summation n square plus summation n. Summation n square plus summation n. We know that summation n square equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus divided by 6 plus summation n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, now we have to add these two terms. So taking n into n plus 1 upon 2 as common, we will have 2n plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. So this is equals to n into n plus 1 upon 2 into 2n plus 1 plus 3 upon 3. So this is equals to sum Sn equals to n into n plus 1 upon 6 into 2n plus 4, that is 2 into n plus 2. So n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 divided by 3. This is the sum of the given special series. Sum of this special series up to n terms is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 upon 3. Okay, so in this way we can find the sum of the other questions also. Okay, so let us take the next question. Next question is question number 3rd. Question number 3rd of the exercise 9.4. Question number 2nd is almost same. Question number 2nd is almost same, having 3 terms. In question number 2nd, the given special series is 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus 4 into 5 into 6 plus and so on up to n terms. Okay, this is second question. So Tn equals to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. This is Tn. Tn means sum of n terms, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Okay, so you can find the sum of n terms using this Tn. Okay, we will take the question number 3rd. This is just like a hint for the question number 2nd. After finding the nth term, you can find the sum easily. Okay, so question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is 3 into 1 square. The given special series is 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 2 square plus 7 into 3 square plus up to n terms. Okay, we have to find the sum of this special series up to n terms. So what we have to do? We have to find the nth term first of all. Okay, so nth term Tn is equals to, each of the term is multiplication of 2 terms, 3 into 1 square, 5 into 2 square, 7 into 3 square and so on. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square means n square. Okay, so second term in each of the term is n square, and first is 3, 5, 7 mean odd term that is 2n plus 1. Okay, 2n plus 1. So 2n plus 1 into n square is the nth term of this special series. Okay, this is very important. Means to find the nth term is very important in special series. After that we can easily find the sum. Okay, so this is equals to 2n cube plus n square. Tn equals to 2n cube plus n square. Now we can find the sum Sn equals to summation Tn. Summation Tn means summation 2n cube plus n square, and this is equals to summation 2n cube plus summation n square. So this is equals to 2 into summation n cube, n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square plus summation n square means n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Okay, this is the summation n square. Now this is n square into n plus 1 square upon 4 2 plus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Now taking n into n plus 1 by 2 as common, we will have n into n plus 1 by 1 plus 2n plus 1 by 6 by 6. Okay, so this is equals to n into n plus 1 upon 2, taking 6 as LCM, 6n square plus 6n plus 2n plus 1. So this is equals to n into n plus 1 by 12, 6n square plus 8n plus 1. Okay, so 6n square plus 8n plus 1 cannot be factorized. Okay, so this is the sum of the question number 3rd. Special series given in question number 3rd. Okay, now you know the process. You know the process how to sum to n terms of the given special series. Okay, so now let us take the next question, question number 4. This is also an important question, question number 4. So question number 4 of the exercise 9.4, the given special series is, given special series is in question number 4, that is 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus and so on plus up to n terms. Up to n terms. Okay. Now in such type of special series, this is question number 4. No need to find the nth term. No need to find the nth term. We can expand this like 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. This can be written down as second term can be written down as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus third term can be written down as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus and so on plus this nth term. Nth term can be written down as 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. Now we can see that this will cancel this, this will cancel this, this will cancel this, and this will also cancel by the previous term. Okay, 1 by n will also cancel from previous term. Okay, so the left terms are 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. This is the sum, means taking n plus 1 as LCM, n plus 1 minus 1. So equals to n upon n plus 1. This is the sum to n terms of the special series. Okay, now the next question. Next question, question number, this was question number 4th. Now question number 5th. Question number 5th, having some tricks to solve. Okay, so question number 5th is given special series is given as 5 square s n equals to 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus up to 20 square. We have to find the sum of this special series. 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square. Okay, how to find the sum? First of all, this can be written down as 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus and so on plus 20 square. We have added this term in this. So we have to subtract the same term 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Okay. This term we have added in the given special series, so we have to subtract the same term from this special series also. Okay, now this is the sum of squares of the natural number up to 20, n equals to 1 to 20, minus this is also the sum of squares of natural number up to 4, n equals to 1 to 4. So this is equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 minus n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Okay, so we have to solve this. Now taking 1 by 6 as LCM, this is 20 into 21 into 41 minus this is 4 into 5 into 2 4 ja 1, 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9. Okay, so 1 upon 6 into taking 20 as common, 21 into 41 minus 9, 21 into 41, 21 into 41, 861, 861 minus 9, so this is equals to 10 upon 3 into 852, 3 2 ja 6, 3 8 ja 3 4 ja, so 3 will cancel this, 10 into 3 2 ja 6, 3 8 ja 24, 3 4 ja 2840. This is the sum of the given special series. Okay, so in this way we can find the sum to the special series of the given in question number 5th. Now let us take the question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7 of the exercise. Exercise 9.4. Question number 7. Question number 7 is 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus and so on up to n terms. Okay. So we have to find the nth term of this special series. This special series requires nth term to sum up to n terms. Okay, so what will be the nth term of this special series? First term having only 1 square, second term 1 square plus 2 square, third term, fourth term. So nth term will have 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to n square. This is the nth term. Okay, again first term having 1 square, second term having 1 square plus 2 square, third term having 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square and so on. Nth term will have 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. Okay, this is nth term, not the sum. Sometimes student get confused that this is the sum, but this is not the sum, this is the nth term. We have to find the sum of these all terms. Okay, so Tn equals to 1 square, that is sum of natural number up to sum of the squares of natural number up to n, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. So Tn equals to 1 upon 6 into n square plus n into 2n plus 1. So this is equals to 1 by 6 into n 2n cube plus n square plus 2n square 3n square plus n. This is the Tn. Tn means nth term of the given special series. This is the Tn, nth term. Now Sn. Sn is equals to summation Tn. Summation Tn means summation 1 by 6 into 2n square plus 3n, 2n cube plus 3n square plus n. So this is equals to 1 by 6 into 2 summation n cube plus 3 summation n square plus summation n. So this is equals to 1 by 6 into 2 into summation n cube n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus summation n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, now we have to solve this. Let us rub it. I am writing that sum here 1 by 6 into 2 into n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 3 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, now we have to solve this. We have to solve this and we'll get the answer. So this is equals to 1 by 6 into taking n into n plus 1 by 2 as common. So this is n square into n plus 1 whole square upon 4. 2 has taken as common, 2 is cancelled. So upon 1 plus 3 2 is 6 and 2 is taken as common. So 2n plus 1 plus n into n plus 1 by 2 is already taken as common, so 1. Okay, so none is left, nothing is left in denominator. Okay, so solving this n into n plus 1 by 12, this is n square into n plus 1 whole square. N square, sorry, n into n plus 1. N into n plus 1 is already taken as common. N square plus n plus 2 and 3n plus n1 plus 1 2. So this is n into n plus 1 by 12 and this is n plus 1 n plus 2. Okay, so n into n plus 2 into n plus 1 whole square upon 12. This is the sum, that is Tn. Tn equals to n into n plus 1 into n plus 1 whole square upon 12. Okay, means sum of the special series. Sum of the special series given in question number 7. Okay. Now from question number 8 to question number 10, we have been given the nth term and we have to find the sum. Okay, so it's very easy because main point in finding the sum to n terms of the special series is to find the nth term, and we have been given this nth term, so there is no any problem to find the solution from question number 8 to question number 10. So we are taking, first of all, we are taking the question number, first of all we are taking the question number 9. So question number 9 is Tn is given as n square plus 2 to the power n. Tn is given as n square plus 2 raised to the power n, and we have to find the sum of this special series. So sum of this special series Sn equals to summation Tn. So summation Tn means summation n square plus 2 raised to the power n. So summation n square plus summation 2 raised to the power n. So this is the sum of squares of natural number up to n, that we know is equals to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6, and this is 2 raised to the power 1 plus 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3 plus up to 2 raised to the power n. So this is a GP. This is a GP. A equals to 2, R equals to 2, n equals to n. So this is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus sum of this special series. This is GP, geometric progression, and we know how to find the sum of the geometrical progression, that is a to the power n minus 1 upon n minus 1. So this is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus this is 2 into 2 raised to the power n minus 1. This is the sum. Okay, this is the sum of the given special series or the nth term of the special series. Okay, now let us take the question number 10. We are solving the question number 10 also. This is the last question of the exercise 9.4. Question number 10. So question number 10 is given as Tn is given as 2n minus 1 to the power 2 2n minus 1 to the power 2. Okay, this is Tn, and we have to find the sum of this special series. Okay, so how you will find the sum? Now this is last question, so you know the whole process. Okay, first of all we have to expand this. Okay, 2n minus 1 whole square. So very easy to expand. Tn is equals to a square 2n square 4n square minus 2ab 2 to the 4n plus b square, that is plus 1. Okay, this is the expansion of 2n minus 1 whole square. Okay, now we have to find the sum. Means we have been given Tn, sum Sn equals to summation Tn. Summation Tn means summation 4 into n square minus 4 into n plus 1. So this is equals to 4n square minus summation 4n plus summation 1. Summation 1. Okay. So summation 4n square, that is 4 into summation n square minus 4 into summation n plus n. Summation 1 up to n times. 1 up to n times, that is n. Okay. Now summation 4 into summation n square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. This is the summation n square minus 4 into summation n into n plus 1 by 2 plus n. Okay, so solving this, taking 6 out of the bracket. So we will have taking 6 and n also. So n by 6 taking out of common, we will have 4 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus minus. We have taken 6, so 3 4 12 into n plus 1. We have taken n oblique 6, that is plus 6. Okay, now solving this, we will have n upon 6 into 4 into n square 2n square plus n plus 2n 3n plus 1 minus 12n minus 12 plus 6. So this is equals to n by 6 into 4 to the 8n square plus 4 3 ja 12n cancel 12n plus 4 minus 6. So n by 6 into 8n square minus 2. So this is equals to n by 3 into 4n square minus 1. This is the sum of the given special series Sn. So Sn equals to this. Okay. In this way you can find the sum of the other special series if it is given. Okay. Okay. This can also write down as n by 3 into 2n minus 1 and 2n plus 1. Okay, Sn equals to, this is the sum of the nth term. Nth term Tn equals to 2n minus 1 whole square. Okay, in this way you can find the sum of the other series also. So today we were finding the sum to n terms of the special series. Special series means the series which are neither arithmetic progression nor the geometric progression, but the combination of arithmetic progression and geometrical progression. Means combination of the two series, two progressions, that is AP and GP. Okay, means sometimes we have been given the series. Each of the term of the series is the multiplication of two or more than two terms. In which first term or the second term is following the arithmetic progression pattern, or second term or first term is following the geometrical progression pattern. Okay, so we have to recognize the pattern, and after recognizing that pattern, we have to find the nth term of the given special series. Okay, and after After recognizing the nth term, we have to use the formula summation n, sum of natural number up to n, summation n square, sum of squares of natural number up to n, summation n cube, that is sum of cube of the natural number up to n, and then finding the sum. Okay, thank you.